For most online auction houses, packing and shipping items is the hitch in their workflow. Customer calls about shipping times or costs, double entry of customer information for shipping quotes, rephotographing or renaming image files of unsold items for follow-up auctions. For many auction houses, these inconveniences seem necessary costs of doing business. They don't have to be. You can process auctions faster, cheaper, and easier. Shipping Saint offers an easy-to-use packing and shipping solution to streamline and automate your post-auction delivery system, saving you hours of processing time per auction. How does Shipping Saint work? Once your online auction is over, you're able to easily import your auction platform's winning bidder information into Shipping Saint, so there's no need to double enter information. And if a customer wins bids on multiple platforms, Shipping Saint merges all those items for you into a single shipment for that customer. Shipping Saint can automatically notify your customer of their winning bids with an automated text message and email, and lets them know what to expect throughout the post-auction process. Shipping Saint's touchscreen interface allows easy drag-and-drop functionality, especially in the packing process. Through the drag-and-drop feature, Shipping Saint knows what items are packed in each box and insures each box based upon its contents. Shipping Saint also tracks the time and materials involved in packing all the items for a single customer, allowing you to set hourly rates for each of your packers based upon their speed and experience. Quicker communication with your customers translates into quicker payments, quicker order processing, and quicker shipment and delivery, all of which translates into happier customers. Auction houses using Shipping Saint report that phone calls after a sale have decreased 80 to 90%. The best part? Your cost is based upon volume. There are no monthly fees. Contact Shipping Saint and see how we can save your auction house time and money.